So today I'm going to be talking to you guys about everything you need when starting a bullet journal. So you can find everything under Bullet Journal 101. If you scroll down, you'll get to one of my previous posts where I kind of list out everything that I'm going to be mentioning in the video today. Again, everything that I list on my website as well as in my videos can be found on Amazon. So let's head over to Amazon, and this is the first thing that you're going to need is an actual bullet journal. I've seen people use composition books, regular notebooks, but if we're going to do a bullet journal, I just want to show you guys one of my favorites. This one is the one that I have. I actually have about 5 of these. You can see that the leather cover is really nice. It has a strap. For me, my bullet journals kind of get bulky because I add a lot of stuff to the pages, like stickers and cutouts and stuff like that. So I really like the strap because it kind of keeps everything secure. I also like this journal, the specific brand, because it comes in so many colors. And they also have plain journals that kind of have nothing on the pages, and squares, which is kind of like a grid. I don't know, reminds me of science class. I don't really like that. And we also have the ruled, which is a standard journal. I have a few of these, but I don't use them for bullet journaling. I just use them for taking notes. So yeah, I like this. It's pretty much, it's big enough for me. It's 5 by 8.3. There's over 100 pages, so they last pretty long. I have multiple ones just because I'm extra, not because you really need more than one bullet journal at a time. The next thing are pens. This is kind of like my favorite thing to buy. I buy pens all the time. Over time, you'll accumulate so many different pens from all over. But this is a good pack to get started. I just ordered these for the second time, and I love them. They're durable, they're reliable. They don't dry out quickly. I've had the last pack I ordered about 2 years ago, and they all still worked. It's just I lost a few of them, and I kind of like to have all of my pens when they come in a pack. So I just ordered another one. They're pretty cheap. They're only $6.99, so you can kind of replace them as you need them. The next thing I ordered these recently as well. Are stickers. I like these stickers because they're fun. They kind of match the theme in my bullet journal. There's so many different ones. There's, if you're going out to eat, there's a restaurant sticker, there's a doctor sticker, there's a spa day sticker. There's some cute and fun sayings that you can use throughout your pages. There's a New Year's one. There's just so many. Take flights. I travel a lot, so I use those stickers all the time. Again, over time you'll accumulate stickers from everywhere, but this is kind of a good pack to get you started. Stencils. So you don't really need stencils. If you can draw, you don't really need these. I can't really draw, so these help me um, decorate my bullet journal if I don't want to use stickers or if I don't have my stickers with me. I like these because there's so many different like designs. There's numbers, there's letters, there's Roman numerals. Those I love to use a lot. I think they're fun. There's sayings, and there's just so many different things. They're pretty versatile, pretty plain. I like to use the markers that I just showed you guys before for these because they don't bleed, and it kind of, everything kind of stays within the stencil. A ruler. So a ruler for me is important because, again, sometimes I like to draw lines if I feel like I need lines, or I like to kind of like, if I leave my stencils at home, I can still draw a straight line. I get a 6-inch ruler because anything bigger than that, it becomes too cumbersome, and I just, my bullet journal's small, so I'm gonna get a small ruler. The last thing is Bic highlighters. I like these highlighters specifically because they don't bleed and they stay vibrant until they run out. A lot of highlighters over time, they kind of get dull and boring, and it's kind of one of my pet peeves. So I usually invest in these. These last super long. They come in a whole bunch of different colors, and these are just some of my favorite highlighters. I like Bic products. I have a lot of their pens. But that's all for today. These are the 6 items that you pretty much need to get started. Everything I showed you today is found on my website as well as in the description box down below. If you have any questions, please list them below and I will definitely answer them. Thank you.